Howdy, tubers. Well, we got a bunch of airplanes around here again today. Look at all these airplanes. Oh man, it quit. There he is. I got you.
Lying, I was looking all over for you.
Oh, you was way over there.
Like, I don't know where they're at. You gotta look around.
Look for the river.
Yeah, the kit box is up flying around right now.
I saw there's a Cessna out there.
He was just circling around here.
Yeah.
Put on the bumpy side.
A little.
We had a
What'd you think about that?
172 circling around here. Don't know where he's at now, and Vernon's up taking a
Go loose.
kid that really wanted to get an airplane ride, and he's been up for maybe 20 minutes so far. Don't know where they're at. He's made a couple passes, but maybe they went to fly over his house or something. That's always fun to take a first time flyer to, is where you live. So let me pause this. Well, I guess they're not coming back. Boy, this went blurry, didn't it? What in the world? There we go. Anyways, don't know where they're at, and I've had this thing on pause for I don't know how long. 10 or 15 minutes, so I guess I won't get them. So, bye. Say bye-bye. Anyway, another video for today. There you go. God bless.